Okay, so this is Liquid Kevin with the Liquid Dance tutorial. First one, English version. I'm gonna explain to you what liquid dance is in the simplest term. So what is liquid? What is liquid dance? Liquid dance is an illusion-based dance style. You are trying to create illusion with your dance. So what kind of illusion you are trying to create? The name is liquid, so you are trying to create illusion of water constantly moving, like waves, like boom, boom, this kind of illusion you want to be creating. So this is liquid. So liquid is a dance style, and it is a format. Every dance style is a format. For example, popping, you have to be constantly pop. Like, I don't know, in hip hop, you have to like have these bounces. With liquid, there's like two main rules that you want to be following. You don't have to, but if you do follow it, you probably would understand liquid better. So first one is continuous flow. So you are constantly moving, continuously moving. You don't want to be stuck and do something else. When you're doing everything, like going to one move to next move, you are constantly moving. That's the first one. And the second one is connections. Liquid is mostly performed with arms. Those two arms are constantly connected, like all the time. It's like you do like really big move, but your arms are still connected. How do you train for this? You just have to practice like hand throw all the time, and it's become second nature. Like everything you do, like you feel connected all the time. Those two are the main rules of liquid. You don't have to follow it. It is a freestyle, so you don't have to do everything. But if you do practice it, you're probably gonna understand liquid better. This one is going to be about liquid and waving. So many people are confused with what is liquid and what is waving. Some people say that it's the same thing. Can be a same thing, but if you know the difference, you can see the difference. It's a different culture from different background. So the method of executing the movement is different. So let me explain. So when you say waving, waving is a quite vague term. Like any wave-like movement can be a waving. So like there's a many wave-like movement within like belly dance, or I don't know, it's like in hip hop or whatever. But it's a waving. No, it's they using wave-like movement within those styles. So what is waving? So when people say waving in general, what they're referring for the most cases within the popping context. Popping is what the umbrella term for many styles that's within the popping context. Their main rules is that you gotta be constantly popping, boom, pa, boom, pa, boom, pa. Between those pops, you do wave like boom, boom, pam, pam. Like send a wave, like do cobra whipper, boom, boom, pa. That's waving for the most people. Some people are just like pure wavers, like constantly waving. In that context, liquid and waving is very similar, but there's a few differences. So what is liquid? Liquid is a continuous flow, like I said before. So the main focus is not like pop, pop in the same wave. It's more like you are dancing with a liquid. So this is your dance. Like you are constantly moving with this illusion of a wave constantly moving. And you are making connection, like I said before. You can do that in a waving as well. And also waving is like moving energy as well. So you can easily mix those together. But if you do understand the differences, you can tell easily, and they're the things you can learn from liquid, and also you can learn from waving. So the best way is to learn these styles separately, and later on you can mix it if you want.